problem set 2 standard 10th algebra, and the first one says that we have to find which of these is a quadratic equation. Now let us start from the first one. See here, x is in the denominator, so when we want to cancel this x, we have to multiply the whole equation by x. Okay, so your x will get cancelled. This will become 5 minus 3x. This will become x cube. This will become x cube. So of course this is not a quadratic equation. What about this? X, this will become x square plus 5x. Let us solve. X square plus 5x equals to 2. Correct? On multiplying the bracket. So this will become x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So correct? Yes. Your option B is a quadratic equation. No need to look at C and D. Okay. Then question 1 sub question 2 says that which of these is not a quadratic equation. So what you will do here, you will see quadratic equation. Here if you see x square is getting cancelled because it is on the either side. So what remains is 4x equals to 11. So this is not a quadratic equation. For an equation to be quadratic, the condition is the degree should be 2. The power should be 2, as you can see here. So your option A is the correct option. So question 3 says that what is the value of k, here 4 options are given, if the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal simply means that the discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, so here I'll first write what is A, B, C. This all comes in your rough work. Okay, when you are asked MCQ, this you have to do in rough work. B is k square minus 4 A is 1, C is again k equals to 0. Okay, so this becomes k square minus 4k equals to 0. Now k is common, k minus 4 remains. Okay, equals to 0. Now either k is equal to 0 or k minus 4 equals to 0. This equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So k equals to 0 or k equals to 4. Okay, so the value of k is 0 and the value of k is 4. It is 0 or 4. So your option C is the correct option. Then so let us see fourth one. They have asked the value of the discriminant. Okay, so we'll just write here what is b square minus 4ac. B is, you know, it is minus 5, minus 4a is, you know, root 2, and c is also root 2. So this becomes 25. Square of negative number is always positive. Minus 4 into root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So it is 25 minus 8. What is 25 minus 8? It is 17. So your option B is the correct option. Okay. Then question number 5 says that which of the following equation has the roots 3, 5. So of course, if we are getting 3 and 5, we want 3 and 5, so we should get x minus 3 and x minus 5 as the factors. Okay, so very simple to find out. I should get, this will be x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. I am solving in the reverse order, 3 and 5, so this will be minus 3 minus 5. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equals to 0. So here also your option B is the correct answer. Okay, then Question number 6 says that which of the following equation has sum of the roots as -5? You know, sum of the roots means alpha plus beta, we take it as minus b upon a, correct? So it will be, I'll check the first one. The first one will be minus of minus 15 by 3 minus b by a. So this becomes 15 upon 3. So this is 5. First one is gone. Okay. I think so. I just want minus here. So fourth one looks similar. Okay. So if we do by fourth one, minus b by a. This is minus 15 upon 3. So this comes to minus 5. So your fourth option is correct. Only the first and fourth one, the signs I needed different. That's all. Okay. Then let us come to seventh one. Okay. So let us see seventh one. They have asked which of the following statements is true. So we have to find the roots. Okay. We have to find the value of discriminant, and then only we can say what is the roots are real or equal, or real or unequal, or it has no real roots. So you know b square, so I'll take minus root 5 square minus 4a is root 5, c is again root 5. Okay, now this becomes 5. Okay, minus 4 into root 5 is 4 into 5, correct? So it is 5 minus 20, so it is minus 15. When you have the value of discriminant less than 0, this is less than 0, so which option you will have? The option C1, the roots are not real. Okay, when it is less than 0 means it is negative, so the roots are not real. Let us come on to eighth one. Eighth one, quite simple, where one equation is given and one of the root is given 2. Okay, so very simple, we'll take the value of x as 2. Okay, m into 2 minus 5 equals to 0 to get the second root. So this becomes 4 plus 2m minus 5 equals to 0. So 4 minus 5 becomes minus 1. Okay, and minus 1 will go there, it will become 1. So m equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, so m equals to half. Then question number 2, they have asked us which of the following is a quadratic equation. Okay, so we'll see, we can see first one is a quadratic equation. Okay, because the highest degree or the power is 2, therefore x square plus 2x plus 11 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, then coming on to second one, we have to solve this, of course. So x square gets cancelled. What remains is minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, here the power or the degree, okay, I'll write here power slash degree is less than 1, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, then this I will expand. This is a plus b the whole square, so a square plus 2ab, 2 2s are 4 into x, 4x plus b square is 4, 2 square is 4. This RHS remains the same. Okay, I'll take this here, so it will become x square minus 2x square. Rest all is same. there is nothing in RHS now, so I'll put 0. What is 1 minus 2? It is minus 1, so minus x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so this is of course a quadratic equation. Here the degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay, then coming to question number 3, we have to just find the value of the discriminant. Okay, so I'll first compare the equation with standard form, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a equals to 2. What is b equals to? Minus 1, and c equals to 2. Correct? Therefore, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So it is minus 1 square minus 4 into a into c. Okay, so this becomes 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so here it is minus 15. Okay, value of discriminant is minus 15. Let us come to second one. So here I'll simply write what is a. A is 5. Comparing with this statement, I'm not writing again and again, as you can understand. A equals to 5, b equals to minus 1, c is not present here, so I'll write c is 0. Then the value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into 5 into c is 0. So this is 1 minus 4 5s are 20 into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So here value of discriminant 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, let us come to third one. What is a here? Root 5, b minus 1 and c minus 5. Okay, now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 1 square minus 4. A is root 5, c is minus 5. Minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus is plus. Okay, 4 5s is 20, 20 root 5. 1 plus 20 root 5. Just a moment, I have just not written the question correctly, so I'll write it correctly. This is minus root 5. Okay, so I'll do this again. B square is minus 1 square minus 4 into a is root 5 and c is minus root 5. Okay, now minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus is plus. 4 into root 5 into root 5. What is 4 into root 5 into root 5? It is 4 into 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 1 plus 4 5 is 20. So this becomes delta is equal to discriminant is equal to 21. Okay, let us move on to question number 4. Question number 4 says that if one of the root of the quadratic equation is minus 2, find the value of k. It is very simple. What you have to do is substituting x is equal to minus 2 in quadratic equation. Okay, so I'll first write the equation once again and then substitute. 2x square is minus 2 square plus k into minus 2 equals to 0. Wherever you find x, replace it with minus 2. Now 2, this becomes 4, this becomes minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now this is 8 minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. I'll solve this. What is this? Minus 2k, 8 minus 2 is plus 6. Okay, now minus 2k equals to 6 will go there, it will become minus 6. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2k equals to 6, k equals to 6 by 2, k equals to 3. Correct? So the value of k equals to 3 then. So question number 5 given is the roots are given. So let us take this first one as alpha. Let alpha equals to 10, and this second one as beta. Beta equals to minus 10. Children, alpha and beta are Greek letters. Okay, just as in Marathi we have k, kh, g. So here alpha and beta we take, because we cannot take here English letters, because we already use x, y, a, b, c, all that. Okay, so we are using something different. Alpha is 10 and beta is minus 10. So first we'll find the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is 10 plus minus 10, so that is equal to 0. You know this will become 0. Let us find what is the product. Alpha into beta is 10 into minus 10, so this will become minus 100. Okay, why we are doing this? Because we want to frame the equation. Okay, so the required equation is very simple. It is x square minus the sum of the products into x plus the product of the sum of the roots into x plus the product of the roots, okay, equals to 0. So simply this is the general formula to frame the equation, and once we write this, you just have to substitute minus. This was 0, so it is 0x, plus this was minus 100, so I'll write here minus 100 equals to 0. Okay, now of course minus 0 has no value, so straight away I'll come here, minus 100 equals to 0. Okay, so this is how we frame the equation. Let us come on to the second one. Second one is 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, same steps. Let alpha equals to this and beta equals to the second one, 1 plus 3 root 5. Okay, so alpha plus beta equals to 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Addition of both. Very simple. Minus 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5, it can cancel. What remains is 2. Now the product of the roots. So it is, you can see it is getting in the form a minus b, a plus b. Correct? So what is a minus b, a plus b? How will you multiply? A square minus b square. Okay, so it is 1 minus 3 square is 9, 9 into 5 is 45. So this you are getting minus 44. Okay, so you will write the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta bracket x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Okay, now this will be x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? It is 2x, okay, 2, plus the product of the roots is minus 44 equals to 0. So in the next step I'll just open this bracket, plus minus becomes minus equals to 0. Okay, so your answer is x square minus 2x minus 44 equals to 0. Let us solve the third one. Third one very simple, 0 and 7. So I'll take again, let alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to 7. So first thing I'll do is find the sum of the products. 0 plus 7 equals to 7, and the product of the roots, so 0 into 7, 0 multiplied by any number in mathematics is 0. So the required equation, what is the format of the equation? The required equation is x square minus the sum of the roots into x plus the product of the roots. Okay, so x square minus sum of the roots is 7x alpha plus beta plus this is 0 equals to 0. To rewrite this, I'll just not write c again because c is 0. So your answer is x square minus 7x equals to 0. Okay, then coming to question number 6, sum number 1, we have to find the nature of the roots. Okay, you know, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we call the roots are not real. When it is equal to 0, we call the roots are real and equal. When it is more than 0, b square minus 4ac is a positive integer, then we call the roots are real and unequal. Okay, so let us do this. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to 3, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 7. Okay, so here b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c. This is 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay, so what is 25 minus 84? 25 minus 84 is minus 59. So here discriminant is less than 0. So therefore the roots are not real. This is what they have asked. Okay, whether the roots are not real, real and equal, or real and unequal. So comparing with, again second one I'll do ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. I'll write a is root 3, b is root 2 and c is minus 2 root 3. So this is equal to b square minus 4ac root 2 square minus 4 into a into this is c. This is 2. Okay, minus will become plus 4. 4 2s are 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, so it is 2 plus 8 3s is 24. So this becomes 26. So here discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. Okay, that's it. Let us come to the third one. So third one is m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0, and I'm straight away writing this. A equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to 1. Okay, now value of discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into this is c. This becomes 4 minus 4 1s are 4 into 1 again 4. So this is 0. So here the value of discriminant is 0. So very simple. Therefore the roots are real and equal. Okay, then